Hello dear clients, my name is Rose.
My name is Ibrahim.
And we are from Sky Nature Travel and Tourism. And we are honored and proud to be sponsoring the Buganda Masaza Cup second edition. We were here the very first audition and the very first tournament in UAE. It was a great honor. It was a good experience sponsoring the Buganda Masaza Camp. This second audition, we decided to come back again, and we at Sky Nature, we wish you the best in this tournament. Every team that is participating, every player that is participating, we wish you the best of this tournament.
Sky Nature Travel and Tourism, we are known as a household in giving quality services, reliable and affordable services. We deal in all kinds of UAE visa services, global visas, holiday packages, worldwide air ticket, business setup, recreation services. We are located in Naif Deira, Central Building, G15 opposite Tarab. You can visit our website www.skyandnaturetours.com. Send us an email at info@skynaturetours.com. Visit our social media handles, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok. We use Sky and Nature Tours. Trust us, it's worth it.
Sawa Sajja Kabaka Awangale.